First tonight, you may have noticed that South Dakota's governor has been in the national spotlight a lot lately, doing numerous live interviews on Fox News. It's not just because of Smithfield Foods being the #1 hotspot of COVID-19 in the nation, or Governor Kristi Noem refusing to issue a shelter-in-place order. As Kettleland Investigates has discovered, it's because last year the governor's office got a new six-figure TV studio with the ability to broadcast live anywhere at any time. Kettleland's Angela Kennecke looks at the cost to you, the taxpayer, and how the governor's office says it's actually saving you money.
Governor Kristi Noem joins us now. Governor, the media, they're not happy with you.
We are dealing with it. We're aggressively testing in that area. Well, Sean, I just believe in our people. They know and understand personal responsibility. The hydroxy came in this weekend, and so we already have patients that are taking it.
South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem has been a regular on Fox News. This week, she also appeared on Newsmax, another conservative news and opinion platform.
Overwhelmingly, South Dakota's in a really good position.
Those appearances are made possible due to this new TV studio in the basement of the Capitol building installed last summer. Boston-based Video Link has installed 200 studios all across the United States, but the one in South Dakota is unique.
She is the first governor to have a ReadyCam, yes, because there's nothing nearby.
On August 28, 2019, the company even posted on Facebook, "Congratulations to Kristi Noem, governor of South Dakota, for her first live TV appearance on Fox and Friends." Ms. Noem only has to walk down the hall to appear on TV.
Certainly for somebody like Governor Noem in South Dakota, having that convenience of being able to say yes to an interview request on short notice is really important.
That ability is costing you, the taxpayer, up to $130,000 in the first year. Kettleland Investigates took a look at the contract the state of South Dakota has with Video Link. The state did not have to get any competing bids for the TV studio. According to South Dakota law, the contract with Video Link is exempt if the contractor selected is justifiably the sole source.
We've been able to prove that there's really no other options that provide the unique capabilities that we offer, that uniquely fit the needs of these organizations.
The state paid $75,525 for the camera and equipment. Additional training costs another $1,750. The state was responsible for paying for any additional phone lines and electrical wiring. And the maintenance fee for the equipment is $5,500 a year. Video Link charges $350 per half hour for transmission fees.
The only ongoing expense, for example, for the governor's office is an annual maintenance fee, which just allows us to be able to keep the system up and running, doing regular checks and fixing it when there's anything wrong. Otherwise, when she does her interviews with Fox News pays for our service to operate it.
Hi, I'm Governor Kristi Noem.
The state points out that Governor Noem has also shot her public service announcements about COVID-19 from this studio. In that case, the state pays for the transmission fees.
Which is a heck of a lot less than bringing a videographer to come into their office to do the same thing.
Noem's office says the cost for her to take the state plane to the closest studio is far greater. The state has paid the company $90,504 since August of last year. Some of that was for transmission fees. The governor's office says she has the capability to talk with local stations across the state. Video Link says most likely it would be up to the stations to pay for the transmission fees. We asked Governor Noem how many local interviews she has conducted from the studio.
I can let my team follow up with you, certainly, but I do know there's been instances in the past where it's been offered, certainly.
We can confirm that Kettleland News and other South Dakota television stations we reached out to have not been offered live interviews with the governor from the studio. Without more information from the governor's office, it appears that Governor Noem has only used the studio for live interviews on conservative networks and public service announcements.
Thanks a lot, Angela. Video Link says that many of its studios are used by financial firms and universities that provide expert interviews to networks. The company says that former Arkansas Governor Mike Huckabee has a studio in his home.